Let me picture this. The US government is also involved in reverse engineering these UFOs. UFO sightings have been reported worldwide for decades, leaving us all in wonder. These mysterious objects move at extraordinary speeds. They exhibit unconventional flight patterns and defy the laws of physics as we know them. While the US government has traditionally denied the existence of UFOs, something has shifted. In the recent years, the US government has openly acknowledged the encounters between the military pilots and the unidentified aerial phenomena. Now here comes the exciting part: reverse engineering UFOs. Throughout the history, humans have always wanted to discover the secrets behind anti-gravity. The same curiosity has driven governments to study and reverse engineer this advanced technology. The experts and insiders believe that the US government is indeed reverse engineering these mysterious objects, attempting to unveil their extraordinary technology. The idea is to gain a deeper understanding of their propulsion systems, energy sources, and potentially even the advanced materials used in their creation. But why would the US government keep this top secret endeavor away from the public eye? By reverse engineering these mysterious objects, the government could gain a tremendous technological advantage. Imagine if we could harness the power of anti-gravity propulsion. That sounds interesting. Let's dive into this video to learn more about this mysterious natural phenomena.
And it then accesses this ambient zero-point energy field that is responsible for all matter and energy existing, and by special configurations and what have you, it causes a cancellation of mass inertia and an anti-gravity effect.
First of all, when we think of the natural phenomena, it actually brings another interesting topic: cavity structures effect, or CSE. What do you know about this frame platform? In this whole video, we're going to talk about different frame platforms that we have heard about, but we don't know their working principles yet. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this whole video till the end. First of all, Viktor Gromyko was a Russian scientist and inventor who claimed to have made a groundbreaking discovery that challenged the laws of physics. His research was based around a unique platform that seemed to defy gravity, allowing him to float effortlessly through the air. But how did it work?
Grabenikov's platform was a fascinating creation. While it may have appeared simple at first glance, its true power lied in its underlying design. The secret was in the arrangement of carefully crafted honeycomb-like structures, inspired by the natural world. Imagine the hexagonal honeycomb pattern found in a beehive, but on a much larger scale. Grabenikov theorized that this pattern gave the platform unique properties, manipulating the flow of energy around it. The hexagons acted as tiny energy collectors, absorbing and amplifying the natural vibrations present in the environment. It's fascinating to note that insects, especially beetles, have an affinity for these structures. Grabenikov observed that these insects exhibited remarkable properties, defying gravitational forces. He believed this was due to their biological ability to tap into the same energy fields that his platform harnessed. Throughout his research, Grabenikov described feeling weightless while standing on the platform. He even claimed to have witnessed objects placed nearby losing weight and levitating as well. This intriguing phenomenon was later coined as the cavity structural effect. Many witnesses have since come forward, sharing their experiences with Grabenikov's platform. They describe awe-inspiring levitation, gliding through the air as if weightless, and even encounters with unexplained creatures in remote areas where Grabenikov conducted his experiments. Despite his groundbreaking discoveries, Grabenikov faced widespread skepticism from the scientific community. Unable to recreate his platform or fully understand its principles, many dismissed his claims as mere fantasy. But what if he had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary? In recent years, advances in material sciences and quantum physics have brought us closer to understanding phenomena that previously seemed impossible. It's an exciting time for scientific exploration, and perhaps it's time to revisit Grabenikov's enigmatic platform with fresh eyes and modern tools. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey into Viktor Grabenikov's platform, let's keep our minds open and remain curious about the wonders of our universe. Who knows, other extraordinary discoveries may be waiting to be unraveled. Let's talk about this topic that has captivated our imaginations for decades: UFOs. Have you ever wondered how these unidentified flying objects work? Well, before we delve into the technical aspects, let's get one thing straight: UFOs are not just limited to flying saucers like you might have seen in movies. They can come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from triangular crafts to even cigar-shaped objects. The key defining characteristic of a UFO is that it remains unidentified. Throughout history, UFO sightings have baffled people worldwide, often sparking speculation about their inherent technologies. So, how does a UFO work? Well, it's important to remember that we can only speculate, as we don't yet have confirmed knowledge about extraterrestrial beings. However, based on reported sightings and expert theories, let's explore some potential mechanisms. One prevalent theory suggests that UFOs utilize advanced propulsion systems, far beyond our current understanding of physics. One popular idea is the concept of anti-gravity technology. Imagine a spacecraft that can manipulate the gravitational forces acting upon it, effectively nullifying its weight and hovering effortlessly. Another fascinating possibility is the use of exotic energy sources, such as harnessing zero-point energy or tapping into previously undiscovered laws of physics. These energy sources could provide an unlimited supply of power, enabling long-distance interstellar travel at incredible speeds. Zero-point energy, also known as vacuum energy, is the lowest possible energy state that exists even in a complete vacuum. If we find a way to tap into this energy, we could potentially have access to an infinite source of power. Imagine the possibilities that opens up for interstellar travel. What if UFOs truly operate using such technologies? The implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it would be truly extraordinary. Now let's shift our focus to the navigation systems used by UFOs. Some witnesses have reported seeing these unidentified flying objects exhibiting incredible agility and maneuverability, unlike anything we've seen with our conventional aircraft. One possible explanation for these remarkable movements is the concept of advanced plasma and electromagnetic propulsion. By manipulating the electromagnetic fields surrounding the craft, UFOs could achieve rapid changes in direction, instant acceleration, and even cloaking capabilities. Electromagnetic propulsion is based on the idea of manipulating electromagnetic fields to create thrust. By interacting with the surrounding plasma, a UFO could potentially generate propulsion without relying on traditional engines or fuel. These novel propulsion and navigation systems, if they truly exist, would revolutionize our understanding of aerospace engineering and open doors to new frontiers in human space exploration. While much remains unknown about UFOs and their inner workings, investigating these mysterious objects and their potential technologies keeps our curiosity alive. Who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day we'll unravel the secrets of these extraordinary flying objects. Let's talk about another interesting topic: Nikola Tesla's anti-gravity platform. Trust me, you won't be able to resist this shocking discovery of Tesla. Before we start, let's rewind the clocks and catch up with the genius himself, Nikola Tesla. Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and futurist who had a groundbreaking impact on the world as we know it. His contributions to alternating current electricity systems are still used universally today. Now let's fast forward to a lesser-known but equally fascinating aspect of Tesla's work: his exploration of anti-gravity technology. Yes, you heard it right, anti-gravity. Tesla was an unconventional thinker who believed that gravity could be manipulated or even negated. He envisioned a world where vehicles could fly without wings or propellers, powered by an anti-gravity force. This idea led Tesla to develop what he called the Tesla flying machine. The Tesla flying machine was a theoretical platform that aimed to achieve and control anti-gravity effects. Tesla believed that by utilizing electromagnetic principles, it would be possible to neutralize or even reverse the force of gravity, thereby allowing objects to become weightless or move against the pull of Earth. Tesla's ideas about anti-gravity stemmed from his experiments with high-frequency electrical currents and electromagnetic fields. He hypothesized that by manipulating these forces, he could counteract the effects of gravity and ultimately create a whole new mode of transportation. But here's the twist: despite his remarkable intellect and ambitious vision, Tesla's anti-gravity platform never became a physical reality. Although he conducted extensive research and filed numerous patents, his ideas remained largely theoretical, locked within the confines of his brilliant mind. However, even though Tesla's platform never materialized, his work laid the foundation for future generations of scientists and engineers to explore the possibilities of anti-gravity technology. Today, there are ongoing scientific studies and experiments involving anti-gravity technology. Researchers are exploring various theories, including the use of electromagnetic fields, quantum physics, and even exotic materials to achieve anti-gravity effects. One of the most famous examples of anti-gravity technology is the concept of electrogravitics, which was developed by Thomas Townsend Brown in the 1920s. Electrogravitics suggests that by utilizing high-voltage electrical charges, it's possible to manipulate gravity and create propulsion without the need for traditional engines. First off, what exactly is electrogravitics? Well, simply, it is the study and manipulation of gravity using electrical and electromagnetic fields. The concept behind electrogravitics is rooted in the work of the American inventor Thomas Townsend Brown in the mid-20th century. Brown believed that gravity and electromagnetism could be combined, leading to incredible possibilities. Townsend Brown's experiments involved using high-voltage electrical capacitors, commonly known as electrostatic thrusters. By arranging these capacitors in a particular configuration and applying high-voltage electric fields to them, he claimed to observe a discernible thrust towards the positive electrode. This thrust, according to Townsend Brown, appeared to defy the conventional principles of physics. However, it's important to note that electrogravitics is still a highly debated and controversial subject within the scientific community. Many experts argue that the observed effects can be attributed to ion wind or other conventional mechanisms like a direct manipulation of gravity itself. Numerous researchers around the world are striving to unpack the mysteries behind electrogravitics and explore its potential applications. Some envision spacecraft that could maneuver in ways previously thought impossible, while others see opportunities for advancements in energy generation and propulsion systems. Now, let's talk about some of the potential applications of electrogravitics. One of the most exciting possibilities is the development of advanced propulsion systems for spacecraft. Imagine a future where we can effortlessly travel across vast distances in the universe, unlocking the secrets of distant galaxies. Additionally, electrogravitics could revolutionize our energy generation. If we can harness and manipulate gravity, we could tap into an entirely new source of clean and efficient power, potentially transforming the way we generate electricity and reducing our dependency on fossil fuels. While Thomas Townsend Brown's work laid the foundation, today's researchers are taking electrogravitics to new heights. Many scientists are conducting experiments, trying to replicate and build upon Brown's findings, constantly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Electrogravitics is a captivating field that has the potential to redefine our understanding of gravity and offer groundbreaking technological advancements. While there is still much to explore and discover, the mere possibility of manipulating gravity is awe-inspiring. Who knows what the future holds? Only time will tell. As we venture further into the realm of possibilities, it's important to remember that anti-gravity technology is still a secret the governments are hiding till today. While it fuels our imaginations and has the potential to revolutionize transportation as we know it, it might be a while before we see Tesla's dream come true. It's an inspiring reminder that even the most extraordinary ideas can sometimes remain just beyond our reach. But let's not forget that these visionary concepts always have the power to shape our future. This is the Searle effect generator. SEG is an innovative device that aims to harness endless, clean energy for our everyday needs. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Well, let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at the components of the SEG. It consists of three main parts: the stator, the rotor, and the rollers. The stator is stationary, while the rotor and rollers rotate around it. Now, what sets the SEG apart is the unique arrangement of magnets and rollers. In the SEG, the magnets and rollers are positioned in a special way to create a magnetic field capable of capturing and converting ambient energy. As the rotor and rollers rotate, they interact with this magnetic field, generating electricity without the need for any external fuel source. It's like magic, but it's all based on scientific principles. Now, you might be wondering more about this device, but the potential of its technology is immense, as it promises a clean and sustainable energy solution for the future. John Searle, the brilliant mind behind the SEG, has dedicated decades of his life to perfecting this revolutionary device. His passion and determination to provide an alternative to traditional energy sources have fueled his tireless efforts. Though faced with skepticism, Searle remains confident in the potential of the SEG to transform our energy landscape. But it's not just Searle. There is a global community of scientists, engineers, and researchers who believe in the possibilities offered by the Searle effect generator. Collaborative efforts are underway, aiming to refine the technology, enhance its efficiency, and ensure its safe integration into our existing energy infrastructure. Imagine a world powered by the Searle effect generator. Abundant, clean, and sustainable energy accessible to all. No more harmful emissions, no more reliance on depleting fossil fuels. The SEG has the potential to revolutionize our energy consumption and help combat climate change. So, what's next for the Searle effect generator? With continued research and development, we might see this incredible technology powering our homes, cities, and even spacecraft in the future. It's an exciting time, and it's up to us to support such groundbreaking innovations. So that was about the Searle effect generator, but have you ever heard of Otis T. Carr and his groundbreaking invention, the OTCX-1? Well, buckle up and let's dive into the fascinating story behind this revolutionary machine. Otis T. Carr was an inventor, engineer, and visionary who sought to change the world with his invention. He was born in 1904. Carr's passion for innovation led him on an incredible journey that ultimately resulted in the creation of the OTCX-1. So, what exactly is the OTCX-1? Well, it's a machine that Carr believed had the ability to defy gravity and travel through space-time. He claimed that it could even teleport from one location to another, making it a true marvel of engineering. According to reports, Carr allegedly conducted a demonstration of the OTCX-1 back in the 1950s. Witnesses claimed that the machine was able to levitate above the ground and move around with incredible speed and precision. It's important to note, however, that Carr's claims were met with skepticism from the scientific community. The scientific principles he proposed contradicted our understanding of physics at the time. Despite the controversy surrounding Carr's claims, his work has inspired generations of inventors and engineers to push the boundaries of what is considered possible. The OTCX-1 remains a symbol of human imagination and the pursuit of knowledge. In recent years, scientists and tinkerers have attempted to recreate Carr's invention, using the knowledge and technology available to us today. While these efforts have yet to replicate the alleged capabilities of the OTCX-1, the passion behind this ongoing research is undeniable. So, how did Carr claim the OTCX-1 worked? According to his theories, the machine harnessed electromagnetic energy and combined it with gravity control principles. These elements, when combined correctly, purportedly had the potential to manipulate space-time and achieve incredible feats. Carr even obtained patents for the OTCX-1, cementing his belief in its potential. While the patents offer a glimpse into his ideas, they do not serve as proof of the machine's functionality. Today, researchers continue to explore alternative propulsion systems and anti-gravity technology, drawing inspiration from Carr's work and sources alike. This ongoing dedication to discovery and the exploration of the unknown is what propels humanity forward. While the machine's alleged capabilities may still be a topic of debate, Carr's legacy as a visionary and innovator can never be denied. Let's check out this topic, Element 115. Have you ever wondered about the mysteries surrounding UFOs? What if I told you that there might be a way to reverse engineer these incredible flying objects? I'm going to unravel the enigma of Element 115 and its potential role in unlocking the secrets behind UFO propulsion systems. So, buckle up and let's dive into it. Before we dive into the specifics, let's explore the origins of Element 115. It was first proposed by the legendary physicist, Bob Lazar, back in the late 1980s. He claimed that this super-heavy element could generate an anti-gravitational field, which could explain how UFOs defy gravity's pull. Although Element 115 doesn't occur naturally on Earth, scientists have synthesized it in laboratories. Its official name is moscovium, and it sits on the periodic table as element number 115. Now that we have a little background, let's discover why it's so significant for exploring UFO propulsion systems. One of the key reasons element 115 holds promise in reverse engineering UFOs lies in its unique atomic structure. Lazar proposed that when this element is bombarded with protons, it undergoes a nuclear transformation, resulting in an element that defies the laws of conventional physics. When this process occurs within a UFO's propulsion system, it creates a gravitational field that enables the craft to maneuver with unmatched speed, agility, and the ability to make right-angle turns without experiencing any inertial effects. This technology would revolutionize our understanding of aerospace engineering. Now, you might be wondering, how could we possibly harness the power of element 115 and apply it to our own technological advancements? Well, it won't be an easy task, but with scientific curiosity and determination, we might make progress. Scientists are currently exploring various methods to replicate the conditions necessary for element 115's nuclear transformation. By bombarding a stable element with protons at extremely high velocities, we hope to simulate the process Lazar proposed, giving us invaluable insights into the fundamental forces governing UFO propulsion systems. As the physicists say, understanding the properties and behavior of element 115 could revolutionize not only our understanding of the universe but also the way we travel through space. By unlocking this secret, we might embark on incredible space exploration missions and potentially unlock advanced forms of propulsion for our own designs. If there's something interesting is a future where we can explore distant planets, galaxies, and even uncover the truth behind extraterrestrial life. The possibilities are truly endless if we can successfully harness element 115. As we continue to investigate UFOs and delve into the mysteries of the universe, one thing remains clear: scientific curiosity and exploration have the power to unlock extraordinary discoveries. With the determination and collaboration of brilliant minds, we might just uncover the secrets hidden within element 115 and pave the way for a new era of scientific achievements. The government is also involved in reverse engineering the UFOs. UFO sightings have been reported worldwide for decades, leaving us all in awe and wonder. These mysterious objects move at extraordinary speeds, exhibit unconventional flight patterns, and defy the laws of physics as we understand them. Despite the government's secrecy, leaked footage and eyewitness accounts have fueled speculation and curiosity. While the government has traditionally denied the existence of UFOs, something has shifted. In recent years, the U.S. government has openly acknowledged encounters between military pilots and unidentified aerial phenomena. Suddenly, that tinfoil hat theory doesn't seem so outlandish. So, why the sudden change in tune? It turns out that these encounters pose a significant national security concern. The sheer capabilities displayed by these UFOs, which surpass any human-made aircraft, have raised concerns within the highest ranks of the government. The U.S. government's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program (AATIP), a classified initiative dedicated to studying UFOs, aims to unravel their mysteries and assess potential threats. Now, here comes the exciting part: reverse engineering UFOs. Throughout history, humans have always sought to comprehend the unknown. The same curiosity has driven governments to study and reverse engineer advanced technology in the past. So, is this also happening with UFOs? Well, some experts and insiders believe that the U.S. government is indeed reverse engineering these mysterious objects, attempting to unveil their extraordinary capabilities. The idea is to gain a deeper understanding of their propulsion systems, energy sources, and potentially even the advanced materials used in their creation. But why would the government keep this top-secret endeavor away from public eye? By reverse engineering these UFOs, the government could gain a tremendous technological advantage. Imagine if we could harness the power of anti-gravity propulsion or tap into limitless energy sources. The possibilities are mind-boggling. Moreover, acquiring advanced technology from reverse engineering would strengthen national security. Being the sole country with an understanding of such incredible technology could potentially protect against adversaries who may develop similar capabilities. However, exploring this reverse engineering hypothesis raises an important ethical question. Should the government be keeping such transformative technological advancements hidden? After all, the world could benefit from breakthroughs in energy, transportation, and countless other areas. Opening up about the reverse engineering of UFOs might just push humanity into an era of unprecedented progress. While the existence of UFOs has fascinated us for decades, the possibility of the US government reverse engineering these captivating objects adds a whole new layer of intrigue. By studying these UFOs and mastering their advanced technology, the government may be striving to unlock hidden potentials and ensure national security. The mysteries surrounding UFOs are far from being solved. Perhaps someday, the truth will be unveiled, and the incredible advancements derived from these unidentified flying objects will be shared with the world. Let me talk about this man. John Hutchison, a Canadian inventor, gained worldwide attention for his groundbreaking work with anti-gravity technology. His invention has sparked the imagination of scientists and science enthusiasts alike. What exactly are John Hutchison's anti-gravity inventions? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of anti-gravity and explore how he made such an astounding discovery. The story begins in the 1980s when John Hutchison stumbled upon an unexpected phenomenon while conducting experiments with high-voltage electricity. He found that by combining specific frequencies and electromagnetic fields, objects in his lab started defying Earth's gravitational pull. Imagine witnessing metal objects levitating, displaying a complete disregard for the laws of gravity. It's truly mind-boggling. This unexplainable event came to be known as the Hutchison effect. Scientists and researchers, including NASA, became intrigued and started investigating Hutchison's work to understand this new frontier. But how does this technology work? Well, it's no simple task to explain, but I'll try to break it down for you. John Hutchison's anti-gravity technology involves the manipulation of electromagnetic fields and frequencies. By generating specific combinations, the technology appears to disrupt gravity's effect on objects. It's like creating a gravitational bubble around objects, detaching them from the pull of the Earth. Just imagine the endless possibilities this technology could offer us in the future. So, what are the potential applications of John Hutchison's anti-gravity invention? The ability to manipulate gravity could have a tremendous impact on energy production, architecture, and even disaster relief efforts. John Hutchison's anti-gravity invention is a remarkable breakthrough that challenges our understanding of physics and opens doors to a universe of possibilities. Since we already talked about Hutchison, let's check out this interesting topic of zero-point energy. Have you ever wondered what fuels the spacecraft we see in science fiction movies? Well, it's not just imagination, there is real science behind it. Right now we are going to explore the possibilities of zero-point energy and how it could revolutionize space travel as we know it. What is zero-point energy? Well, imagine a sea of energy that exists even in empty space, where particles pop in and out of existence. This energy, known as zero-point energy, is the lowest possible energy a quantum mechanical physical system can have. Now, the big question, can this mysterious energy be harnessed for propulsion? Researchers believe it's possible by utilizing electromagnetic fields. By tapping into the vast amounts of energy present in even the smallest particles, we could potentially achieve propulsion without relying on traditional fuel sources. But how does zero-point energy propulsion work? Well, it's all about manipulating the electromagnetic field generated by this energy. By creating an imbalance in the field, scientists theorize that it could be possible to generate a push, propelling a spacecraft forward. Think of it like surfing a wave of energy, but instead of water, we're utilizing zero-point energy. It opens up endless possibilities for space travel, allowing us to explore distant galaxies faster than ever before. Zero-point energy propulsion could revolutionize our understanding of time and space. Imagine reaching speeds that were once unthinkable, bridging the gap between star systems in a matter of years instead of centuries. This advancement in technology could bridge the gap between science fiction and reality. Scientists and visionaries are working day and night to unlock the secrets of this incredible energy source. With advancements in quantum physics and engineering, the day may come when we see zero-point energy propulsion systems powering spacecraft into the unknown. The future of space exploration is full of potential, and zero-point energy is one of the keys that could unlock it. Zero-point energy is a mind-blowing discovery. The possibilities it presents for space travel are truly awe-inspiring. Imagine humanity as interstellar explorers, venturing into the great unknown, all thanks to the power of zero-point energy. Have you ever wondered about the incredible advancements in aviation technology throughout history? Today, I'll be revealing the secrets of the Haunebu 3 flying model, a marvel of engineering from the 1940s. The Haunebu 3 was a revolutionary flying machine that originated during World War II in Nazi Germany. This unconventional aircraft was rumored to have made use of advanced propulsion systems and anti-gravity technology. Conflicting theories and conspiracy theories surrounded its existence, but today, I'll provide you with a plausible explanation for how it might have worked. To understand the Haunebu II's propulsion system, we need to delve into the concept of electrogravitics. Electrogravitics is a theoretical field of research dealing with the relationship between electricity and gravity. It postulates that by manipulating electric fields, we can generate anti-gravitational effects. Imagine a spacecraft equipped with powerful electromagnetic generators. These generators create intense electric fields surrounding the aircraft. By properly manipulating these fields, an aircraft like the Haunebu 3 could potentially negate or reduce its gravitational pull, allowing it to achieve incredible speeds and maneuverability. Now, let's talk about the propulsion system. The Haunebu 3 was rumored to have used a combination of jet engines and electrostatic propulsion. Jet engines provided conventional thrust, while electrostatic propulsion allegedly acted as an anti-gravity system. The jet engines would have been responsible for achieving lift during takeoff and maintaining forward momentum. The electrostatic propulsion system would then activate, creating a repulsive force against gravity. This force counteracted the downward pull, enabling the aircraft to hover and move freely in any direction. Now, you must be wondering how someone would control such an advanced aircraft. The Haunebu 3 was said to employ a sophisticated control system using electromagnetism and gyroscopic stabilization. These technologies allowed for precise maneuvering and stability in flight. Just imagine the thrill of controlling a Haunebu 3. It would have been like nothing else in its time. So, although the details of this aircraft remain shrouded in mystery, the concept of using electromagnetism and electrostatic propulsion is fascinating to explore. Talking about the Haunebu, let's check out this mind-blowing true story of Victor Schauberger's anti-gravity device. Our adventure begins with the brilliant mind of Victor Schauberger, an Austrian forester and naturalist, who believed that nature holds all the secrets to advanced technology. Victor observed the flow of water in rivers, the motion of fish, and the way seeds disperse. Intrigued, he began to ask, could there be a way to imitate and harness the power of nature itself? Victor Schauberger's fascination with water led him to develop an extraordinary theory. He believed that by mimicking the vortex motion of water in nature, we could unlock anti-gravity technology. In the late 1920s, Victor set out on a mission to create a working prototype that defied the laws of gravity. With a deep sense of curiosity and a hands-on approach, Schauberger devoted years to his research. He designed and tested a series of prototypes, each more advanced than the last. He experimented with various materials, shapes, and sizes, in search of the perfect anti-gravity mechanism. Finally, after countless trials and errors, Victor Schauberger had his breakthrough. His anti-gravity device, known as the repulsion, harnessed the power of vortex motion, creating an invisible energy field that defied gravity. It was a monumental achievement, stunning both the scientific and engineering communities. However, our story takes an unexpected turn. Victor's groundbreaking invention attracted the attention of those who sought to weaponize his creation. The very governments he once hoped to inspire turned him into a pawn of war. Despite facing adversities, Schauberger's legacy continues to inspire generations of innovators. His dream of harnessing nature's power lives on through the work of countless scientists and engineers who strive to unlock the secrets of anti-gravity technology. But here's the question we're all left pondering. Is Victor Schauberger's anti-gravity device merely an untapped fantasy, or is it a suppressed reality hidden away from the public eye? The truth remains elusive, but the curiosity and desire to uncover the secrets of anti-gravity continue to live on. From an ambitious dreamer to a pawn in a world at war, Schauberger's legacy reminds us that true innovation knows no bounds, as well as Nikola Tesla and Viktor Grebennikov, who was a biologist. So, let's keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day, we'll unlock the mysteries of anti-gravity ourselves.